Hello, my friends. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today, the final part of Chapter 4, the reading section. So, for today, no new grammar, no, just some new words, some new vocabulary. Yes, we have through. Through is from one side to another. For example, here, the ball went through the window. Listen to the pronunciation. Through. 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 Through in Portuguese is através. Through can also mean por meio de in Portuguese. Here's another example of through. Learning English is difficult, but it can be taught through tough, thorough thought, though. Very difficult to say for Brazilians. For me, it's easy. It can be taught through tough, thorough thought, though. Taught through tough, thorough thought, though. Here, through is por meio de. Okay, here, chase, in the simple past, chased, past participle, chased. This is to follow behind in an attempt to get, pegar. Chase in Portuguese is like correr atrás. For example, look, the police car is chasing the red car. Chase. Approach. In the simple past, approached. In the past participle, approached. This is a verb that means to get close. In Portuguese, aproximar. For example, here, the airplane is approaching the runway. This is the runway here. But approach can also mean a way or a method. We can use approach as a noun, meaning a way or a method. For example, here we can say her approach to solve it was correct. Approach. Feel or felt ashamed. This is a feeling of embarrassment, vergonha, or guilt. Guilt in Portuguese is culpa. For example, he felt ashamed about his grade. Look at his grade, an F. In English, grades are notas in Portuguese, and our grades in the United States are A, B, C, D, and F. F is fail. F is a very bad grade. It's the worst grade. So he felt ashamed about his grade. Look, he got an F on the test. Please. Now, please can mean por favor, but please can also be a verb. And please as a verb means to feel satisfied. In the simple past, pleased, and the past participle, pleased. Please, pleased, pleased. For example, she was pleased with her grade. Look, she got an A+. She was pleased. Threaten. In the simple past, threatened. In the past participle, threatened. This is a verb that means to express the intent of violence. In Portuguese, amaciar. For example, bullies threaten other students. Threaten, threatened, threatened. Threat. Threat is a noun. A threat is an expression of violent intent. This in Portuguese is an ameaça. Ameaça, I think so. For example, bullies often make threats. Threat. Sunrise. Sunrise is when the sun first appears in the morning. This is the sunrise. And sunset. Sunset is when the sun disappears in the evening sky. Look, this is a sunset. Light bulb. This is a light bulb. According to. According to is a synonym with as said by. In Portuguese, segundo. For example, according to most nutritionists, exercise prevents heart disease. According to. Segundo. Take place in the past tense, took place in the past participle, taken place. take place, took place, taken place. This is a synonym with occur or happen. For example, in Brazil, soccer games take place on Sundays. Soccer games occur on Sundays. Take place, took place, taken place. Drop. In the simple past, dropped. In the past participle, dropped. This is a verb that means let something fall. For example, look here. He almost dropped his ice cream. Drop in Portuguese is largar. Meanwhile. Meanwhile means at the same time. For example, look, here Maria was studying for the big test. Meanwhile, Joe was on Instagram. At the same time, Joe was on Instagram. Meanwhile. Amount. Amount is a synonym with quantity. For example, Elon Musk has an endless amount of cash. True story, my friends. Accurate. Accurate is an adjective to describe 100% correct information. For example, let's say today is Monday and it rained today. We can say, wow, the forecast was accurate because it rained today. Accurate for 100% correct information. Breakthrough. Breakthrough is a rapid increase of knowledge or information. Breakthrough is a noun, a substantivo. Breakthrough is a synonym with a new discovery. For example, scientists have recently made breakthroughs, new discoveries in robotic body parts. Look, breakthrough. Quantity of time and straight. This means time without interruption. This straight is like a direto. For example, in this picture, he worked for 10 hours straight without interruption. Regardless. Regardless is with indifference to a situation. For example, he slept regardless of the noise in the airport. Regardless in Portuguese is like an independemente. Independemente. Yes, regardless. Deny. In the simple past, denied. In the past participle, denied. This is to say something is not true. Deny in Portuguese is negar. For example, the suspect denied the accusations. Deny, denied, denied. Okay, my friends, that's the end. Finish. Super easy today. See you later, alligator in a wild crocodile. Have a good day. Have a good week.